Hold on. It's probably my lash.
Probably so. You want to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Mykia and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my friend with me here,
Bria.
Yes, and we're gonna be doing a couponing video. Every time we post on Instagram pictures of our stockpile or the deals that we're doing, my DMs are flooded.
Right.
And we just like, okay, what is a way that we can get this information out to people and not have them feeling like we're withholding information? Because a lot of people think like I'm just not telling them the secrets, and it's just like, it's just so much.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
We're
it's
really,
a lot.
I want to say beginners.
Yeah.
Still. So it's kind of hard for us to explain it, like, you know, replying to a DM.
Yeah, it's hard to explain because we go through a lot to get these deals sometimes, and it just can be a whole lot. So in this video, we're going to teach you about beginner couponing, some of the things that we like to do to coupon, some of the people that we follow, and some of the stores that we love to shop at to coupon.
Yep.
So if you're interested in watching this, stay tuned. Okay, so to start off, we're going to start off with store apps. So some apps that we use a lot.
Target,
Dollar General.
CVS, Walgreens.
Yep. Pretty much, if the store got an app, we got it on the phone.
Yep.
A lot of the coupons nowadays are digital coupons, so you need the app to get the coupon. So Target, they generally have coupons on the app or percentages off on certain sections of the store. We love that because that can be combined with your paper coupons. At Target, you want to make sure that you go on the day that they have these deals. In Target, you also want to make sure you pay attention to the signs.
Right. I know, like, I've checked the Cartwheel, which is on the Target app, on Sundays, because that's when they have their new deals. Like she said, pay attention to the signs, because mainly we shop for like household items.
Yeah. Some items we would just never, ever pay regular price for.
Like I haven't paid full price in
forever. We will never pay full price for detergent.
Like toilet tissue, paper towels,
dish detergent. I will never pay regular price for that.
Cleaning
supplies, never. I'll insert some clips of our stockpiles here, and these stockpiles will just last you for at least up to a year or so, because when you catch the deal, you just max out. You get all that they got in the store.
Right.
Like you literally cleared the shelf. So, yeah. And all these are mostly digital coupons that we use.
Right.
So printable coupons. Websites that you can go on and print coupons are
coupons.com, pgeveryday.com,
yep. Red Plum. Yep. So you just literally go www.coupons.com. It's a printable coupon section. Click that, and all the coupons that they have that are for print,
it's right there.
It's right there.
You literally just clip it and print them out. But when you're on those, or coupons.com, you have to use, you can only print twice from each device, browser. So you need multiple numbers. And
it'll ask you for a phone number too. Just I guess to kind of register. I don't even know how they keep track of that.
So I'll use, like, if I log on to coupons.com under regular internet, I'll use my number. If I do Chrome, I'll use like my mother number, Safari, or, you know, Firefox, whatever the case is. Like, you'll use different numbers for each browser. And you're allowed to print twice from each browser. So
if you have Safari, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome, that's 4 different browsers. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8. You should be able to print 8 coupons of that same coupon. So like this Parasol coupon, if I used all 4 browsers, I would have been able to get 8 coupons off of that one computer. Which is pretty good, because that's $2 off.
And if it's on sale, of course you're going to want to stock up. So you need multiple coupons. Also, if you're looking for a specific item or coupon for a specific item, you need to go, if it's not on coupons.com or one of those sites that we mentioned, go on the actual website. Like Lysol.com, and see if they have the coupons, because sometimes they'll have the coupons. You might have to enter like your email address or whatever the case is, but you'll be able to print out the coupon once you know there.
Yep. Yeah. One major thing to mention, and we forgot to mention this at first, don't scan coupons.
Oh yeah, don't make copies.
Don't make copies, because it's a federal offense. You will go to jail.
Yeah.
You will go to jail. So make sure that each one of your coupons are legit. Make sure that you do not use the same coupon. So I couldn't take this coupon, scan it 10 times, and think that I'm about to use it. That is illegal. And sometimes the cashiers actually look.
Yeah, they look at the number on there underneath the barcode.
Yeah,
to see
they look at the number underneath the barcode, and they look at it. So just don't do that. Make sure you have phone numbers that you can use.
Yeah.
And just do it the legal way, because we don't want you to get in trouble. Outside of the store apps and outside of your principal coupons, they also have Peelies and hang tag coupons, which are like these. And this would just be sticking on the bottle. So sometimes you turn the bottle over and on the back it's a coupon. So I would just go down that whole row, take everyone off, take it off, and put them in my purse for the next time. Or whenever that item is going to be on sale, then that's when I'll use all my coupons.
Yeah.
So I guess, what would you say? The main objective is to wait until an item is on sale.
Yeah, just wait until it's on sale. You have to sometimes play around with it and see what store you can get it the best at or best price at. And, you know, sometimes I typically look at Target just to see if it's on Cartwheel, because it's always good. If you have like a 40% off plus $1 off, like that's better than you going to Walmart or wherever you're going to go to coupon and just get $1 off, you know. You want to get a percentage plus $1 or a dollar amount
off.
Yeah. So you just wait around and see. And sometimes the couponers we follow, they post breakdowns.
Yeah, they post the breakdowns. I'm gonna give y'all a list of coupons to follow at the end of this video, and just follow some of those people and they'll post the breakdowns. It's kind of hard to just explain, but I'm gonna try to insert a video of us doing some couponing this weekend, just so y'all can kind of get a little bit of better idea. Okay, so for manufacturers coupons, which are the coupons that you print on coupons.com or the coupons that are in the weekly paper. Manufacturers coupons, what is this, 75 cents?
Yes.
So if
75 cents, 50 cents, they double at the grocery stores.
Yes. So if you have, let's say, 2 50-cent off coupons, it will double to $2.
Right. But also, I don't know if we mentioned this, but you have to, it's one per item, one coupon per item. So if it's a 75 cent off the Dawn
dish detergent,
it would only be, you will only be able to use one, but it will double. So 75 cent,
and that's off this one.
Off just one.
And then I would go to this one and I would scan my Dawn and then scan my coupon, and then I'll see on the screen say 75 cent minus 75 cent, and it'll double. So if I got 4 Dawn coupons, I can get 4 Dawn dish detergent.
Yeah. And it seems to I've only realized that you can double at grocery stores. So if you go to Target, it's not going to double.
It's not going to double.
If you go to Walmart, it's not going to double.
Just
stick with the grocery stores when you trying to double your coupon.
So most of the time we only use our 75 cent under coupons at grocery stores. My deal wouldn't be better at Target because it's not going to double. So if I have Dawn coupons for 75 cent, I'm not going to go to Target and use that. It's not smart, because I'm going to be losing pretty much. Yeah,
you just also have to look at the weekly ad. Like it'll break, I know Giant has if you spend, 30 on household, you get $10 off. So you can mix and match. Yeah. But you just have to really take the time to look through. You can look at the weekly ad on your phone, on the app.
Yep.
And just see what deals they have or upcoming deals they have, and then plan your trip based off of that, or your coupon trip based off of that.
Yeah. So paper coupons that come out of the mail or out of the newspaper. You get the newspaper, you just rip it out. Or if you do not have a newspaper, where can you go?
You can go to Dollar Tree.
Yes, you can go to Dollar Tree and they sell the papers there for $1. And then if the paper is old, they'll generally just give them out. So you could just take them. So the paper comes out on what, Sundays?
Sunday.
Yeah. So you could probably go on like Wednesday and the paper will be free because they're just trying to get rid of them because it's getting close to Sunday and the new paper will be coming out soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if they have a stack of 10 papers there,
take them all.
Take all 10 because then you're going to have 10 coupons in each one.
Right.
We could briefly go into price matching and glitching.
Okay. So we're going to talk about price matching, which is literally a hit or miss.
Yeah.